around the nation, to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.
A fresh political controversy is dominating conversations across Nigeria after First Lady Senator Remi Tinubu encouraged Nigerians to consider starting small businesses such as selling Akara, roasted corn, and kuli-kuli as a way to earn a living. The remarks, made during a meeting of the Renewed Hope Initiative, have sparked an avalanche of reactions across social media, with thousands of Nigerians expressing sharply divided opinions. Since the comments surfaced online, videos reacting to the First Lady's advice have flooded platforms including X, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Some Nigerians argue that there is dignity in every honest business and believe the First Lady was simply encouraging entrepreneurship and self-reliance. Others, however, believe the comments fail to reflect the economic realities facing many households. Critics argue that at a time when many Nigerians are struggling with the rising cost of food, transportation, and other essentials, they expected stronger discussions around job creation, economic growth, and improving living standards. As the debate continues, more reaction videos are emerging by the hour. Political commentators, content creators, market traders, professionals, students, and ordinary citizens have all weighed in, each offering a different perspective on what the remarks mean for Nigerians. Some of the videos are emotional, others are humorous, while many feature passionate arguments from both supporters and critics. The discussion has quickly grown beyond the original comments, becoming a broader conversation about leadership, the economy, and the everyday challenges facing citizens. In this video, we have compiled some of the most talked about reaction videos currently circulating online, so you can hear directly from Nigerians themselves. Whether you agree with the First Lady's comments or disagree with them, these reactions provide a glimpse into the wide range of opinions being expressed across the country. Watch the videos carefully and let us know which opinion best reflects your own.
We're trying to give hope, and to start Akara business doesn't take a lot of money. To start roasting corn, or somebody even said about grant, you see they're saying that kuli doesn't take much. We didn't give them a loan, we gave it to them as a grant. So we've encouraged Nigerians as best as we could. What is within our hands, I have given, and I keep giving, and those are the things we've done.
My dear, I never hear them. Tinubu was there prior, so some of the fry Akara. I don't even know, so I don't do this again. Akara business are there now.
So the money reach you?
He reached me. Even my husband said don't stop work yesterday. Today we start the fry Akara. Thank God for that woman. Remi, God bless you.
Yes, so Nigerians, as the First Lady of Nigeria, don't talk you to go and start come business in another year. I am start thanking Bobby Luxury Cons and more. The #1 brand that makes the best luxury cons.
We have 10 orders from Abuja.
We have 10 orders.
10 orders from Abuja.
Give the fast. Package everything.
Abuja.
Come and buy con. Now con be the latest. I have the profit. Luxury con brand. I have. Please give me that con. Like I go. Those are my workers. And not many of you the second way get workers. Because come and buy your con. I be happy right now. Buy your luxury con. Buy your luxury con. Luxury. Only I and I me right now. Luxury. Buy your con. Thank you. 5,000 naira. I'm coming back for my change. Buy your luxury con. First Lady say make we the second say profits day. So we dey say, your con. Buy your luxury con. Yeah, that is what is popping. Please, others, you see in the check. Orders. I reply everybody.
We have
how many new orders?
Order, Nasarawa.
Jesus, we don't enter 5,000 followers.
Jesus,
on this
our followers don't cry.
Thank you so much. First lady. This business don't make Nigeria better. School fees don't do okay. One cannot do again. First lady.
Dry one, white one. Your president, you because you matter related to 750,000. Il est POP. And the Kenny only profit in Lori. Ekrotapa. Come on, buy yo. Evera. Agologon. This one, 200. If you just tell me to like it, don't tell me, you don't have your 500. Gale. Abagologon, Evera. Oh, yeah, Babo. Change. Any change?
We're trying to give hope, and to start Akara business doesn't take a lot of money. To start
Remi, Tinubu, I don't hear your advice. You say maybe we start a come business. I don't start my own, I'm sure I come by you. So if I say buy cars, give all the APC women leaders in different states. We reach our turn. You say maybe we start come business. I don't start my own, no. I speak to you, mama. If you can give me in front of us, so make I come start this business. It will be better. So that the wicked could buy from my hand. You say that come business cannot take a much amount of money to start. I beg you borrow me billions of naira to meet Tinubu. You will be graduate when they do PS. Come on. Jesus. Our first lady don't introduce us to new business. Hey! Come business the rate now, no. It is moving. And the Peter, how is the Akara business moving over there? Tobacco, how is our moving? Open at the cell. Make na come by you.
So we encourage Nigerians as best as we could. What is within our hands, and to start Akara business doesn't take a lot of money. To start roasting corn, or somebody even said about grant. You see, they are saying that kuli doesn't take much. We didn't give them a loan. We gave it to them as a grant. So we've encouraged Nigerians as best as we could. What is within our hands, I have given. You know, and I keep giving. You know, and those are the things we've done. I remember.
The money where president's wife give me now, I don't use that's my own Akara. Akara don't ready. Akara don't ready. This kind of Akara, you can't see it anywhere. This is the best Akara so far. Contact me for your Akara. How much you want to buy? My sister, how much you?
Yeah, Tinubu wife, our dear pastor, first lady, man. Thank you for inspiring me. I've started my Akara business, man. As you advise us, I don't start Akara and Akamu business. You don't take anything. Please, Papa, add this thing or that this thing. Nobody. Add that market, Papa. We don't know, say, our dear woman of God. We don't know, say, this Akara business, they boom like this. After this, I'm also going to add Opehe and Ogiri. That is Dawadawa. They move. And also firewood. I go Wukari. We don't know, man. How many they don't say for them? How much you don't say? Papa. In fact, now when I start Akara market, where Tinubu wife say make we do, let us see say her son, Sheyi Tinubu, now him they say for front there. Ajawa we go Sheyi Ekpele, Shegomi. In fact, instead daughter, the husband, sister, be sorry, daughter for Lashade, auntie for Lashade, she too, we don't know say la Akara she sell become Iyaloja. The market which they go do for Benin, for Oba Benin, she want make they sell Akara and Ogi. After that, we go come start to they sell firewood from Mukari. No let that this thing follow. Now president why say make we they sell Akara and this thing, because since we start, now maybe pepper, now maybe salt. After that, also we don't even know say the APC women leaders where you share motor for. It is for them to start Akara and Akamu business. How much you want buy? How much you want buy, my sister? Papa, there's no time. Give me how many Akara you they buy? Please, buy nice Akara here. Tinubu wife inspired Akara. Our pastor, first lady wife. You they try, madam. You dey try. We don't know say US youths now, Akara, they say now they use make them. How many this thing? Papa, there's no time. We don't want 500 naira old. Madam, take. Customer no wrong with my market too. 2027, if we not go collect PVC, vote this rubbish, come out. When I go clear. Hold your market, make you they go. Don't be lie. So they say husband they good, wife go wicked, wife good, husband wicked. Tinubu and the wife, which one be the good, which one be the wicked? Fire, petrol, action.
What do you think? Was the First Lady simply encouraging small business opportunities? Or do you believe her remarks missed the concerns many Nigerians are raising about the economy? Share your thoughts respectfully in the comments below. If you enjoyed this report, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.
From around the nation to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.